Hi guys, welcome to another vegan travel vlog. Today I'm taking you guys on the first day of our vegan group trip that we hosted in Mexico City. We actually got there a bit earlier to get some things organized, so this is going to give you some behind the scenes of these vegan group trips. Before we jump into the vlog, I wanted to also invite you to come to our next upcoming Mexico City tour, which is in January 2026. It's going to look very similar to this one, but even better than before. The tour includes an epic vegan cooking class, a visit to the Frida Kahlo Museum, a vegan street food tour, a boat ride through the Xochimilco canals, a walking tour through the historical city center, and a visit to the famous pyramids with an optional sunrise hot air balloon ride. And of course, tons of vegan restaurants to enjoy the deliciousness that Mexico City has to offer, and so much more, guys. Believe me, you do not want to miss out on this epic Mexico City tour. This has to be one of my favorite cities to visit as a vegan, and doing it in a group with like-minded awesome people makes it extra fun. This tour is going to be hosted by the awesome D, who you'll see in this vlog, and we're also offering the people who are viewing this video $100 off the tour for only the next 6 people to book this trip. You can use the code Mexico2026. So guys, use that code and save $100. Do not miss out and book your spot now in our next Mexico City tour. We have arrived.
We're here.
Say hi, Dee. Here we are, getting breakfast. These are the vegan options. We got some chilaquiles. We got some kind of, what is this thing? Some sort of Mexican thing, some veggies, potatoes, fruit, of course, some green juice, and some coffee, much needed coffee. We are back. It's like a deja vu situation.
Yes. Back in Mexico City and the sun is out.
The sun is out, and today the weather looks good. So we just got to Mexico City. We got here last night. I got here like really late last night, and we're here to host our first vegan trip in Mexico City. Yeah. And our first trip hosting thing together.
Yes. Exciting.
Dee and I actually met on my first vegan food tour that I hosted in Thailand. So that's where we met. So it's kind of like a full circle moment. There we go.
So cute. Very it's been like, what, 3 years?
It's been 3 years. It's been 3 years. Kind of crazy. I know, time flies.
Can't get rid of me now.
I can't get rid of you now, no. Anyway, we're just having breakfast. Everyone's getting here today, later on today. And we're gonna do our vegan food tour in the evening, or like our vegan street food tour in the evening. We're just waiting for everyone to get here. We got a few things to do before everyone gets here, so let me fuel up first. Yes. Okay, let's try this. Chilaquiles. Some sort of cucumber salad. Looks like there's veggies in here. Can we cross? No. No. Oh, this is cute. I like this neighborhood. Staying in a nice little cute area.
It's a very like central.
Yes, we're in.
Literally called a central.
Yeah. Is this Reforma or something?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, really cute area, just right outside our hotel.
It's like
Left here. Okay. Look at the trees. So, are we in Mexico or are we in Korea? Because everywhere there's so many Korean like restaurants, Korean cafes, Korean stores. So I think there's a Korea boom happening in Mexico City. What is this? What am I looking at? Another Koreans. Whatever this. Are we in Koreatown? Like actually?
I feel like
Are there Koreans that live here?
Maybe.
I don't know what's going on here. This is also Korean. So yeah, I'm a little confused. I don't know if we're already on a Korea trip or we're on the Mexico City trip.
giving us a preview.
Okay, which way? When you're walking the city, I don't recommend filming yourself because it's a little bit of a crazy place.
Here's the first official day.
Yay! We're here! Woohoo! That's what I mean. It's so cute. We're at the grocery store. Look at these dogs just waiting for their owners. Oh my god. Look how cute they are. Oh, woo! Okay. It's okay. I know. Okay, so a few vegan snacks and maybe some souvenirs if we can find it. So we are here at this big grocery store that was pretty close to our hotel, and we're gonna pick up a few things for these goodie bags that we're making for everybody. We're making these little, just, you know, tiny little goodie bags with maybe a few little snacks and little info about the city, and hopefully we'll find some souvenirs as well to add into the goodie bags, but we'll see. Okay, grocery store adventure. Ooh, okay. Well, we got some silk. We got some silk there. Okay, we know that's there. Mission half accomplished. We got a couple snacks. What did we get here? We got this Mexican snack, which is like seeds and nuts, is it? And then it's kind of like puffed. It's almost like puffed seeds, something like this. And then it's like sweet. And then we found this thing, which is vegan chips, and it says vegano on it, so there we go. Now we're gonna go and find maybe some electrolytes, because it is like kind of high altitude here. That's the reason why, right? Yes. Mexico City is high in altitude, so for some people that, you know, aren't used to high altitude, it might, you know, be a little bit of a challenge in the first couple of days. So electrolytes and staying hydrated would be pretty important, so that might be a nice little thing to add in the goodie bag. But we are also just wandering this lovely, crazy city. Oh, look at the little butt statue. Okay. Oh, all right, we made the goodie bags. Look how cute. Mexico City vegan tour with Cheap Lazy Vegan. So exciting. Adorable. We have here an electrolyte drink for hydration. We got this thing here, which Chipotle chips. Oh, hello.
Hi.
We made our goodie bags.
Yeah, goodie bag.
And then this like Mexican treat. And we're gonna add a couple more things in here. But yeah, and then this has some information, our itinerary and everything. So cute. Look at this lovely treat. I'm here with Dee. She's vlogging. Look out for the video coming out in 2029.
In 2029, it wouldn't be me if it was on time.
Same with me. So this is Chipotle flavored. Well, it's a vlog section. Chipotle flavored churritos, actually. So it's kind of like churro style chips. Here, shall we do a little? Yeah. I mean, we've already tried it. Let's be honest. It's a little spicy. Oh!
I got a
cheers! It's interesting. It's like very densely packed. Okay.
Yeah, it's like the chipotle flavor. It's very rich.
It's very strong in flavor. Okay, now let's find some souvenirs. Yay! Here's a random Korean. What is this? Cafe, restaurant, and beauty bar. It's called Mommy G. Okay, let's go. It's cute. Got our strawberry matcha. Cheers. So far, this strawberry matcha, not the best, honestly.
Not that good.
The matcha itself, the flavor is not very strong. We can taste the coconut milk quite strongly.
Yeah.
Because we got coconut milk matcha. But the matcha itself is very mild, and also like the strawberry part is a little too strong compared to like the matcha flavor. So not the best. It's cute, but it's like, I don't know. It's aesthetic, it's kind of cute, but honestly the matcha is like, it's like kind of subpar. It's not that great. Not that great. I'm sorry. Cute place, but not approved by us. Not approved. All right. A few disasters have happened. Oh no. Okay. We're crossing the road. Okay, so apparently there's a teachers' protest going on here in Mexico City at this current moment. A big group of us, like 10 people, are still stuck at the airport. So these are the things that sometimes can happen in a group trip, out of our control. So people are not able to leave the airport. I don't know why they've like blocked the roads or something along those lines. So we're just trying to keep a positive mindset. Right, Dee?
I don't know what's
I said we're trying to keep a positive mindset.
Oh yeah, everything's great. It's working out. People
Everything's
over here
great. Yay. We're gonna get lunch though because we're starving. We haven't really eaten other than having breakfast and then the matcha. We're just gonna get some street food and just call it a day for now because we got a big feast. Okay, we got a big feast coming up tonight, hopefully, if everyone gets here. Oof. We'll see what happens. Look at this traffic. It's no joke. Remember those buses? You wanna get back in one? I'm traumatized.
I'm telling you, the metro was
Yeah.
overwhelmed that day.
Yeah. Okay, let's look at the menu.
1 ingredient, 2 ingredients. So you could do like and something else.
So this is a vegan street food truck and they sell these tortas, which are like sandwiches, and they also have desserts and stuff, but we're just getting a sandwich. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Okay, so this one is the bistec sandwich. Look how gigantic it is, and it looks like some sort of a seitan sort of meat. We'll see how it tastes. Here it is. Let's try this.
This is like
The meat's quite nice. They got pickles. Got pickled stuff. I fear we're gonna need many napkins. Okay, let's try this. Yummy.
good.
It's a little salty for me, but a lot of flavor. The meat is very meaty. Let's try this with whatever sauce this is.
Oh my.
The vegan meat is very nice and tender, very juicy. Lots of flavor. All right, we got some dessert. This is a gansito, which apparently is kind of like a Twinkie. Okay.
Don't quote me on that.
Don't quote Dee on that, but that's what Dee said.
What it,
Okay, do you want to try?
I used to eat a lot of this.
Oh yeah?
In high school, yeah.
Pre-vegan days.
Pre-vegan days.
Yeah, now this is a vegan gansito.
Okay, let's see.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Looks nice and moist in there.
Very light and fluffy.
Okay.
Not too sweet.
Okay, trying a vegan gansito. You're right.
It is kind of like a turkey, right?
Okay. We made it. Everyone made it. We're fighting traffic.
Fighting it, we're going with traffic.
And we've already started the walking taco tour. Jesus Christ. Get ready to eat.
It's not Altero.
I'll
still eat it.
It's not the Altero.
I think vegan shrimp is taro back in the day.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's not
Here we are. Everyone have a seat. Hola. Oh, we're hungry. Oh. Right? I got this camera. It's my vlog. It's my new vlogging camera.
But it's the cutest thing I've ever
Look,
seen.
and then you can like flip it and then.
Oh, it's tiny.
Today that is guava with mint. And we also have micheladas with coronita.
That's the alcohol. That's the alcohol, okay? Sorry, I think you're gonna have to pour that first.
Wanna get me? Why are we hyping you so much? I'm extra. You guys can't tell. It's a beautiful. That made it better. Just cut that.
I needed that drink.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now you have to talk about yourself. Aguachile? Aguachile.
Aguachile.
Okay. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But I don't think they're fighting for that.
We're very much enjoying it. Oh my god. I was gonna say you're like a better influencer than me.
Ooh, I can't wait.
Boy, this sounds like a
I had 2 bites and all 2 were delicious. I'm gonna just do a little drop. Cause
Is that the really
girl,
spicy one?
I don't want you to die.
You're gonna do it together? Try it. Wait, I'm gonna do it too.
And then I'm gonna
I loaded the perfect but I don't wanna try it. That's so tiny. Is it gonna kill me? Cheers! Oh my god.
Okay, wait. Now I want to try it.
Oh! The non-vegan's like, it doesn't taste right.
You don't know.
I like this is our favorite so far. This is a vegan fish empanada with soy meat that tastes like fish. Okay, so we are at Taco Santo. Yay. This is the next spot. And it started raining, so they're putting up a tent for us. Like, what is happening?
It's like that game when you're
Yes!
I love that with the parachute.
Everyone loved that game. This is awesome. We are under shelter. Look at this. This is great. We're protected from the rain. May have stopped, but we're gonna pretend it hasn't stopped yet. This is the ceviche things on the side going in.
Does this have mango in it?
Yeah, this is the baby corn elotes. We got some nachos up in here. You guys want to try some nachos?
One has that weird cilantro thing.
The weird cilantro thing.
Where it tastes
Final stop. We are getting churros at El Moro. Okay, I can wait. Yeah.
All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this travel vlog and a little glimpse of our Mexico City vegan tour. Once again, if you want to come to our upcoming Mexico City tour, the next one in January, make sure you book your spot now. Guys, we're currently offering an exclusive discount only for the next 6 people to save $100 off using the code Mexico2026. Guys, make sure you use that code and book it now so you can also experience this glorious trip. Do not miss out. Come to Mexico City. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!